Hello everyone, welcome back. So I came across some data when I was going through Google and I just thought why not create a video around it as the data is actually quite scary. Now when you search on Google, do most traders lose money? You will be quite surprised to see that 95% of the people doing day trading end up losing money. Also 80% of day traders lose their money over the course of a year with a median loss of almost 36.3%. Wow, I mean 36.3%. That's like you're planning to invest, let's say 10 lakh rupees, and you decide to give 3.6 lakh as just the commission itself. Now that sounds like a big amount, right? But seriously, the fact that 95% of people have such a big loss needs to be reduced. Not just that, people think that trading is an easy way of earning money based on all the fancy videos you see on YouTube. Clearly, the data says the opposite. Now, if you see this chart over here, 40% of people trade only for 1 month, 80% quit within the first 2 years. Now, I'm not here to tell you how to do day trading. There are much more experienced traders online that can even show you that. Even I'm learning past 8 to 9 months. What I do want to tell you is about paper trading and 4 websites where you can actually learn and execute trades without using your own money. So, let's get into it. So like I mentioned before in this video, we are going to discuss about paper trading or simulation trading, whatever you want to call it. So for those of you who are not aware of what paper trading is, it's a platform which allows you to gain access to the entire market, whether it's the NSE, BSE or the US stock exchange, you name it. It will allow you to get access to these markets in real time. But you don't even have to invest or spend 1 rupees. So if you ever wanted to get started in investing in the stock market, this can be a great way to learn because it's completely free. On the stock market, in a very simple way, it's like if you are losing money, it's because someone else has traded smarter than you and they have taken your money. Now, people end up losing money because they either trade based on the hot advices they see on the media or from their friends, or when they get lucky during the first trade and get a decent profit and they think that they know it all. So they go all in and they just end up losing a big amount of money because at that time they're pretty much gambling or they just try to copy other people's trades. In the long term, you won't be able to sustain yourself using these techniques. So, what a paper trading website allows you to do is whatever you have learned, whether it's on YouTube or maybe a course or books, you get to test it in the real market without actually using your own money. Now, these websites are free, but they do have certain kind of limitations as well. So, in simple ways, there are 3 reasons why you should start with paper trading. No monetary risk involved. You get to execute all your learnings for free, and you don't even have to open a demat account or go through the entire documentation process. You just need to open a simple paper trading account itself. Just a quick tip: when you start on these websites, right, with the you start with the fake money. So treat this as a real money itself. If in the real account you're going to start with, let's say, 1 lakh rupees, follow the same. Your paper trading account might have 10 lakh or 20 lakh or even 1 crore. And people try using all of it because it's fake money. Treat this as a real money to actually understand how well you're performing and how many losses or how much loss you're actually making. So at the fourth place, you have Moneybhai, which is controlled by Moneycontrol itself. It's a free platform. It's one of the biggest virtual trading platforms in India. You start with 1 crore in your account. Good part of this website is that you get to learn how to invest in stocks, commodities, fixed deposits, or even mutual funds. Downside is that the website doesn't allow you to analyze charts properly. So you don't have many options to understand charts. At third place, you have MarketWatch, the virtual stock exchange. This is more like a mini game where you can either create a contest or you can participate in multiple contests. Again, a decent website to start off with. Downside of this website, I would say, is that they made a little bit more like a game. So with all the contests and everything, you don't really understand or you don't really get a feel of a day trader or a swing trader as such. At second spot, you have Chart Mantra. This is backed by the Economic Times. What I like about this website is that it focuses more on technical analysis. So you're able to develop more knowledge around analyzing patterns and charts. When you start on this website, you get 1 lakh rupees in your account to start with. What I also like about this website is that it lets you pick that one stock and then you keep analyzing that same stock again and again. So you get to invest in one stock. Because of that, you get a deeper understanding of how the stock market actually performs and what's the market depth of that one stock. how volatile the stock is, and at the end of the day, you get to check how much profit or loss has the company actually made, or how much losses have you made from that one stock. At the first place would be my personal favorite, TradingView. This is a great platform which I personally use all the time. It is a very simple platform. It lets you analyze stocks on a real time basis and without any delay happening. It has a free version and a premium version. Free version is more than sufficient in my opinion. It allows you to use up to 3 indicators when you're using a free version and around 15 indicators when you are using a pro version. Downside of this website is that the free version has multiple ads which pop up on the screen. Does bother a little bit, but not a big concern in my opinion. You can use these websites to spot trends, draw support and resistance lines, recognize candlestick patterns, and personally speaking, it's super fun to just sit around and keep trading, figuring out the various patterns with zero risk involved. You end up learning so much, and you actually end up learning how to trade better or how to recognize various patterns which you saw on YouTube. Also, other than the platforms which I just mentioned, if you do have any other good platform, make sure that you put them in the comment section below for the other users as well. So with that said, you guys, I do hope you guys understood what simulation trading is and which websites to use for simulation or paper trading. And if you did get value from this video, it would be great if you can smash the like button and subscribe as well. Considering it's a lockdown, I think it can be a great time to learn and understand how to trade if you're a complete beginner. I'm quite positive things will get back to normal, and until then, stay at home, be safe, stay healthy. So, with that said, see you all in the next video.